Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the download queued issue on Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can adjust various configurations that affect how the application behaves. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls everything related to how Steam handles your game downloads, including the speed, region, and cache. Now locate the download region option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and pick a nearby server from the list. Changing your download region can often resolve queued downloads because it redirects your connection to a less congested server, which helps Steam process your downloads more efficiently. After selecting your new region, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Go ahead and click it. Steam will restart to apply the new download region settings. This restart is necessary for the changes to take effect and often clears up any stuck downloads in the process. Once Steam reopens, head back to the download section in settings. This time, look for the Clear Download Cache option. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the download cache removes any corrupted or outdated temporary files that might be causing your downloads to get stuck in the queue. Give it a moment to complete this process. Now, in the bottom center of the Steam window, click Manage Downloads. This will take you to your download queue where you can see all your pending and active downloads. From here, resume the download that was previously queued. In most cases, this should fix the issue and your download will start progressing normally. However, if the download is still queued and not moving, you'll need to fully exit Steam and restart it fresh. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click Show Hidden Icons to reveal your system tray. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. This completely closes the application rather than just minimizing it, which can help reset any background processes that might be causing the problem. After Steam has fully closed, reopen the application and log back in. Once you're in, navigate to your download queue again and resume the download. This fresh restart combined with the region change and cache clearing should completely resolve the download queued issue. And that's it. Your Steam downloads should now be working properly without getting stuck in the queue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.